spelling words with beginning consonant blends, they are ready to learn how to read with words with consonant blends at the end. Examples of words that include ending blends are nest. First, review with students that when two consonants are next to each other, they usually keep their own sound. Show a picture of this one, a nest, and say nest, nest. Explain that you blend the sounds S and T together and say st, as in nest. After modeling, lead students in guided practice of reading more words with the ending blends ND, NT, and MP. Nt, Then, practice reading fluency sentences together that contain these words and other mastered words. The next step is to briefly review what you have taught and then tell students they will be practicing writing words with the ending blends ND, NT, and MP, nt, and today, and show a picture card with a picture of a nest. Model segmenting the word and then writing each corresponding letter to write the word on the board or chart paper. Continue with other picture cards, having students segment the sound as a group or taking turns. And finally, have students practice on their own by dictating words to them and having them write them down. You can also dictate a few short sentences that include words with ending blends and mastered word types. Consonant blends play a pivotal role in a child's language and reading development. This combination of two or more consonant sounds can be found at the beginning or end of words, and mastering them is crucial for young learners to become a proficient readers and writers. This foundational skill paved the way for further language development and empower young learners to communicate effectively. By building a strong foundation in consonant blends, children will be better equipped to navigate the world of language and explore the endless possibilities of written expression. I have seen some 3-year-olds start to blend, but this is quite unusual. For most children, they are ready to do it somewhere between the age of 4 to 5 years old. Some children also may be 6 or even older.